Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure both iOS and the Facebook app are up to date. This prevents hidden bugs. Once done, confirm you are signed into your Apple ID in Settings and have biometric or a passcode ready. Next, open the Facebook app and go straight to Settings, look for Accounts, Account Center, or Login options. This is where Facebook exposes external sign-in connections. Follow that path now so you can add or link an external Apple-based login. Now, within Facebook's account controls, find Login Methods, Apps and Websites, or Account Center. This is the middle of the process. Choose the option to add or link an external login and pick Apple or Sign in with Apple when available. You will be redirected to an Apple authentication screen. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple password. Make sure to review permission prompts and allow what's necessary, because Facebook needs explicit access to link your account securely. Finish by confirming the connection. Return to Facebook's Account Center or Login Methods and verify your Apple ID appears as linked. Once shown, test it by using Sign in with Apple at the Facebook login screen or by viewing connected accounts. If something goes wrong, first revoke the partial link, then retry after signing out and back into both services. Troubleshoot by checking network connectivity, verifying iCloud status in Settings, and ensuring Facebook has required permissions. These steps usually resolve 90% of issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.